Welcome to 97 Moments. Today, we bring you some of the most shocking car accidents from around the world. These clips capture the unexpected chaos on the road. Remember to drive safely. Now, let's dive into these jaw-dropping moments. A sleek black car flipped multiple times, like a scene straight out of a blockbuster movie.
What did the Ford Mustang do?
I think the pickup driver is very sleepy. As if there was no intersection here.
Maybe he's looking for a shortcut.
It could just be due to sleepiness.
What the hell? Police car, right?
It's still the same damn road.
Why can that car go in the opposite direction?
Oh my God. Oh no.
Oh my God. What's going on with that car?
I feel afraid of this road.
Oh my God.
David and Goliath.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
No, 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 no. Wait.
This road is haunted.
Oh my God. No, 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 no. Wait. Wait. Oh
Oh my God. Why can he leave the rod so high? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
The shell of this Audi car is really hard.
Holy crap.
Why did the cement truck stop there?
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
No!
The motorcyclist just escaped.
Oh no.
Maybe he needs a bigger truck.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think after 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
How could that container truck be in that location? Wow. Luckily for the driver, his life was saved.
No!
Oh my god!
This truck may have lost control.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, is he planning on running away?
Too dangerous.
How lucky for the woman and the child.
Oh my god.
Innocent cause. It's too dangerous. Everyone should step aside.